My name is Jaxon Caufield. I'm a wildlife biology major and political science minor. I just assumed in my youth that the world was just like this endless sea of trees and wildlife and beauty, and I went to New Braunfels, Texas, and it was a lot different. All the trees were like short and scrubby, and they all had thorns. Even in my own backyard with scrubby little trees, there's a lot of beauty to study and enjoy and discover. What's great about the University of Montana preparing me for a wildlife biology career is that a lot of the classes have outdoors experience. Like I was in rangeland management, where we went out to a experimental forest and did vegetation and habitat surveys. And I also took dendrology because I have a very strong interest in trees. It's kind of like speaking a whole new language. The reason I chose a wildlife biology major and a political science minor is because I'm very focused and very interested on the legislative side of wildlife biology. Whenever there's people going out in the field doing science research or managing animals or doing conservation work, a lot of that is backed by legislation. To the people who are able to donate these scholarships from any amount, I sincerely thank you for providing and supporting my education and the education of students at the University of Montana.